Bonjour mes chers amis et bienvenue à cet nouvel épisode de Franglish présenté par EduCreator. Hello everyone and welcome to this class. Today we are going to do a project. The project's title is La Recette, the recipe. For lower class levels like French 1, I would say it's much better if the students do Google Slides or a PowerPoint and then they present it in class. But for higher levels, starting from French 2, French 3, French 4, I think it's much better if students do a video project, like a cooking show. I have divided this class into 3 parts. The first part is introduction, the second part is ingredients, and the last part is the preparation. Avant de commencer, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner à ma chaîne. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more videos related to teaching, learning French, ESL, and immigration support. Let's begin. First part is introduction. Here, student will start by introducing himself or herself by saying name, age, nationality. Then after the student introduces himself, they will introduce the food by saying, today I am going to prepare a turkey sandwich, for example. Aujourd'hui, je vais préparer un sandwich de dinde. This is for the introduction. We go quickly to the second part, which is the ingredients. Here you are going to talk to us about the ingredients that you will need to prepare that recipe or that turkey sandwich by saying, pour préparer plus the food plus on a besoin de ces ingrédients. Exemple, pour préparer un sandwich de dinde, on a besoin de ces ingrédients. Then you start showing us the ingredients. You can put pictures for this part, or you can also record the ingredients, like you put them on a table and you start recording them one by talking on the camera. For the ingredients, guys, make sure you say the amount. For example, if you need 1 teaspoon of salt, you can put the picture of the container of salt, but you have to mention that you need only 1 teaspoon. For example, for le sandwich de dinde, for the turkey sandwich, if we need 2 slices tomato, you can put a picture of a whole tomato, but you say that you need only 2 slices. 2 tranches de tomate, 2 slices of tomato. Let's go to the last part now, which is preparation. In this part, you will start listing the steps of preparation of that recipe. Students, make sure also to conjugate the verbs into je, tu, or vous. Okay, so it's very important to use one personal pronoun for the entire preparation. Do not mix them. Do not start with the first sentence with je, then the second sentence with vous, then the last sentence with tu. Make sure you use only one for the entire presentation. Use expressions then, next, after that, finally, to show that you are listing as steps. And most important thing, guys, make sure your actions match what you say. Finally, close the video by showing us the result of your preparation by saying, this is the turkey sandwich. I like turkey sandwiches, for example. They're delicious. Thank you for watching. I see you next time, or anything that you want to say to close the video. I put a link in the description to Google Doc that has vocab that you might need for this project. I have a list of verbs also that you can use and some script samples. So the only thing you need to do, you can go check out these and come out with your own script, with your own recipe. Prepare the script, practice before recording, then start preparing us the food. Question: what kind of food that we can prepare in the project? You cannot prepare frozen food. You cannot just say, get a pizza, open the box, put it in the oven, cook it and eat it. No. Make sure you put a recipe that has at least 5 steps of preparation. To have a recipe that has more than 5 steps of preparation, you need to have a recipe that has at least 3 or 4 ingredients, okay? So make sure you prepare something that is like the samples that I have in the Google Doc that I told you will find in the description, like sandwiches, smoothies, desserts, and more. The video has to be between 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure you respect the timing And in order to respect the timing, you need to prepare the script, okay? So prepare the written part, then practice a little bit the speaking part. And one of the good tips of making video projects is to record in chunks. Make sure you do not record the entire video at once. So record the introduction by itself, record the ingredients by themselves. Then steps, for example, you can record 2 steps at once, then 2 other steps, then 1 more step until you finish the video. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to follow the instructions. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner à ma chaîne. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck everyone. Au revoir et à la prochaine.